Hi guys, it's time to try these chicken wings out. Look at how nice I made these chicken wings. Oh yeah, let's grab a piece. Which one looks good? Oh yeah, look at that. This one looks delicious. Look at that. Oh yeah. Time to test my chicken wings out. You wanna make this? Just continue watching my video. You can make some delicious fermented red bean curd chicken wings, guys. Let me give this a try, guys. So crispy, guys. Like KFC but Chinese version. Damn, delicious chicken wings, guys. So easy, same like KFC. Yummy. Hi guys, it's Andrew here. Welcome back to Cantonese food recipes. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make some fermented red bean curd fried chicken wings. So let's get cooking. Okay guys, this chicken wing recipe is very easy to make. So let me show you what ingredients I'll be using to marinate the chicken wings with. So here we got some sugar, and here we got the fermented red bean curd, and here we got some chicken powder. Here we got the egg and the cornstarch. Here we got sesame oil, Chinese rice wine, oyster sauce, and soy sauce. Okay guys, so let me show you guys how to make how to marinate the chicken wings. So over here I got about 10 chicken wings here that's washed and cleaned. Okay, first we're gonna add in 2 teaspoons of sugar. Then we're gonna add in 1 teaspoon of chicken powder. Okay, now we're gonna put on a glove and just mix that all up. Put on a glove, just mix it up. I don't put salt and pepper and all that stuff because the fermented red bean curd contains a lot of salt and a lot of flavor. So we just want to taste that flavor of the fermented red bean curd. Okay, once that is mixed up, we can add in our wet ingredients. Okay, first we're gonna add in 2 teaspoons of Chinese rice wine. Add in 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. Add in 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. Add in 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. And finally, it's the fermented red bean curd. Here we're going to add 1 cube. And then just get some sauce as well. Okay, that's all we need. Okay, now put on a glove and just mix this all up. Okay, put on a glove, just mix this all up. And you see that redness of the fermented red bean curd. Mix the chicken wings up with this sauce marination. Look at these red chicken wings. The fermented red bean curd has all the flavor, so we don't need to add salt and all that stuff. Basically, it's very salty already. That's why we just add 1 cube. Okay, it's ready. Let this marinate for about 20 minutes. Hi guys, so our fermented red bean curd chicken wings have been marinated overnight. So now we can fry them. So over here I've got 1 egg. I'm first gonna smash in 1 egg first. Okay. Next I'll put on a glove and just mix that egg into the chicken wings. Okay, next, over here, I got 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. You can use cake flour or baking flour. And I also have 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, corn flour. I'm gonna put it in here. I'm just gonna give this a quick mix. Okay, once that's mixed, we can just dump it into the chicken wings here. Okay, once that's done, we can put on a new glove and just mix that up into the chicken wings. This will form a coat when we deep fry the chicken wings. You'll form a delicious crispy crust on the chicken wings. Just give that a good mix. Now we're giving this a good mix. As you can see, the sauces and all that stuff has combined with the flour onto the crust on the chicken wings. So every bite you'll be tasting the fermented red bean curd flavor on the chicken wings. Okay, looks good. Now we can preheat the oil and deep fry our chicken wings. Okay guys, so I'm preheating my oil here. It's just a normal vegetable oil, but here I'm using sunflower oil here. So to test if your oil is right, you can see starting to bubble up. Just put in a chopstick just to check. As you can see, it's starting to bubble up, so I'm gonna turn the temperature down to medium. You don't want to put your chicken wings in and it quickly burns, so turn down the heat. Okay, now we can put in our chicken wings. Check that out. Okay, put it in slowly. Guys, as you can see in the oil, there's some bubbles. It comes from the eggs. Put that in. We'll turn the heat just a little bit down. I want to cook these chicken wings for about 15 minutes. 10 to 15 minutes. Make sure they don't stick together. In the beginning, don't play with the chicken wings too much, or else the batter crust is going to fall off the chicken wings. But it shouldn't. But I can already smell these chicken wings. It's smelling so good. Can't wait to eat these. Guys, if you liked this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and family. And yeah, subscribe to my channel if you like my recipes. Okay, it's just been 3 minutes. I'm just gonna give these chicken wings a quick flip over. As you can see, if you play with it a little too much, the batter is gonna fall off. So it's best to keep it at 5 minutes before we flip them, so it can form a stronger crust on the chicken wings. Okay, it's been 5 minutes now. I'm gonna take the center chicken wings out and put them on the sides, because the center one should be cooked mostly. You can feel the chicken wings is already starting to get crispy, the crust. Guys, these wings is starting to smell so good. This flavor of using fermented red bean curd to make these wings. It's a different kind of wings, guys. Let's give this recipe a try. Oh guys, 15 minutes is up. Let's check out these wings out. Oh, check at that. Wow, look at that, guys. Can't wait to chow these chicken wings, guys. Look at that. Check at that out. Wow. Look at these delicious chicken wings, guys. Wow, yummy. Can't wait to eat these. Wow, the color of these wings, it looks like KFC, guys. Look at that. Look at the color of these wings. I'll be surprised if it tastes like KFC for just using the fermented red bean curd. Look at these wings. Look, the color of it. Yeah. Okay, can turn down the heat.